Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make your objects float in Wick Editor. First thing, draw anything, scribbles even, select it, make it into a clip, press edit timeline or double click it. Now delete that drawing. I'm going to add in lightning from BFDI as our floating object. And then this is what I want him to say while floating.
Do I have to be?
Now that I have my sound, let's animate him real quick. I'm going to speed this part up like the last one, and then I'll show you how to make him float. Actually, I might show you how to lip sync too while I'm here. Yeah, a double episode. Well, double tutorial. Now that I have my animation done, let's watch it first.
Do I have to be good at preventing death? Do I have to be good at preventing death? Do I have to be good at preventing death? Do I have to
going. So what you do, you can see how I did it frame by frame here, which normally you could just do make it like this in Wick Editor, but I did it frame by frame. So we're going to have to go frame by frame. So you leave the first frame like this. Second frame, select all, hold shift, move one up. Third frame, hold shift, two up, and continue doing that. Wait, not yet. But then on the fourth one, two up, stop holding shift, and just put two normal ups. And then continue doing that for up and down until you get something like, not yet, because on the 8th frame, you're going to need to just, as soon as you go down, you're going to have to do two regular downs also. But still, keep doing that until you get something like this. Also, I'm pretty bad at tutorials. This is my first tutorial, so if it's kind of bad to follow, comment on this video. If I see any comments saying it's hard to follow, then I'll make a new video with more time, better explanation, and honestly better vocabulary. But here's how my animation turned out.
Do I have to be good at preventing death? Do I have to be good at preventing death? Do I have to be
Kind of loops, but you could see that he's like
to be
floating like
good
this.
at preventing death?
The reason I put it into a clip is because once we go into our actual project, just extend the frame to as many frames that was inside of your clip. I had 39. And then you could just put whatever you want in this next frame, like maybe a dot or something or a line. Put it for as long as you want, so it doesn't like show that it's looping, like I'm kind of cheating it. This will actually show up in your animation. Takes less frames in your actual project, and it's easy to do.
Do I have to be good at preventing death? Do I have to be good at preventing death?
I know.
Do I have to be
follow,
good at preventing death?
Please bear with me. That's how you do it. You could put this in your long animations. This is kind of a spoiler for episode 4 of Siskbid, because, I'm not spoiling it. See you all in the next tutorial if you have any problems. Goodbye.